What's up guys, welcome to another video. Happy to have you here. So today I just wanted to drop by to present to you a very quick little tool that I believe is having some interesting feature. So today we're looking at recall, and so you can find it at tryrecall.co, and it's a very interesting tool that I just discovered, and I find it very useful in a certain sense, especially for writers and readers all across the internet. So let's get straight into it and look what it does. So once you get there, the website is quite simple. Your comment section for the internet. And so what does it do? Add a note and a tag and tag people on any website. So basically this tool is going to allow you to install an extension on Chrome or maybe Edge, and you'll be able to tag a person on any notes or any website all over the internet. Basically, you're going to create a comment and it's going to create a link, and you can share that link with different people, and they can go straight away to see your comment on that specific website wherever it's found. So annotate a web page with your own notes in the margin. Let others join the conversation. You can start a whole thread of conversation on here. Share a note with your community and start conversations about more than just a headline. See what people are saying. If others make their notes public, you can read their thoughts in the margin. Curate and publish reading lists with a click. Organize your notes into lists that can be kept private or published for anyone to read. So that's pretty much all what it does, and it's very interesting, because if you're reading notes online on the internet and you want to kind of share something, you might have to just share the whole article with the person, and maybe the person won't get the specific part of the article you're interested in. But with this extension, what it allows you to do is basically annotate specific places on the internet and create a comment and share that comment with people so they can go directly to that specific point you're trying to show them. I find it very interesting and very useful as well. You should definitely check it out. You can install the Chrome extension here just by clicking that, and it's going to be added into your browser. So yeah, I'm using Edge right now, so I'm just going to add it with Edge. Add the extension. So yeah, let's try to see how it works. So turn on sync. I'll have to log in and all. Yeah, maybe I can do that a little later. Yeah, so I'm trying to see how it works. I click on it. Okay, it's going to ask me to sign in and put in my information. Yeah, so let me try to do that. Okay, cool. Now I'm logged in, and this is how the interface presents itself. It's pretty simple and pretty straightforward. It shows me here my reading list, and I don't have any notes yet. So let's try to create a note and see what it looks like. So okay, welcome to Recall. What are notes? Can I use notes with others? Can I keep notes private? And so it has this FAQ where you can answer some things. Yeah. So yeah, you go ahead, do this, select this, and so yeah, let's try to test it out on a website, maybe on this specific website. So here we go. All I had to do was refresh the page so that the extension can be included here. Once you refresh the page, you have this little pop-up that appears. You can go ahead and sign in to let your notes to be synced. Okay, once you do that, now you can go ahead and create comments or everywhere on the internet. So all you have to do is select the text, and a little pen appears here. You click here, then you can add a comment. This is my comments. Then you go ahead and save. And so you're saving the note saved. So once that's done, you can see it here. This is it. This is my comments here. So now I can easily share this with anybody. I can make it public, or I can just get the link over here. So there's a plus here, maybe to create a list, or you can just copy the link here, link copied. So that's how easily I can share comments all over the internet with virtually every person. Useful if you're on websites like Wikipedia or medium.com, or basically any blog which has some text you might want to highlight and share with people. Let's say I wanted to share a snippet of this biography of Aristotle with some people. Maybe I just want to share this part. I go ahead and select, I write on the pen, and I say, hey, check this out and let's talk about it. And you also notice that it has some text completion as well going on here, so it's very interesting. So I go ahead and save my notes, and I can easily come here and just copy the link to this. Hey, check this out, let's talk about it. So I go ahead and share the link, and I can start a whole conversation just based on this. So this is a very interesting comment section for the internet. I find this very, very useful. So definitely check it out. Let me know what you think about it, if it's something you might want to use, or if it's something you find interesting. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.